Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. For the best viewing experience, make sure to check the video quality to 720 or higher. Today I will show you how to set report designer in a Vue.js application. Run the project. By default, the designer is not using full screen mode, using the white-blue theme, and all controls are displaying. Create a new instance of the StiDesigner Options class. Enable full screen mode and pass designer options to the designer component using the Options property. Save the changes. Go to the web browser. Now the designer will be displayed in full screen mode on the web page. Set the black teal theme and save the changes. Now the designer is using black theme. Disable the file menu in the designer and save the changes. Now the file menu will no longer be displayed in the designer. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like our video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye.